If you're experiencing pending transfers on Snapchat, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause transfer delays. Step 2. Update the Snapchat app. Make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. Go to your app store, check for updates, and install any available updates for Snapchat. Step 3. Verify payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Restart the app. Close the Snapchat app completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the app and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the pending transfers. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If the issue persists, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website, providing details about the pending transfer for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Snapchat efficiently. If problems continue, staying in touch with support is your best option.